are the 18 shades. They're really beautiful. I have played with a couple of them, but they are so beautiful. As you can see, this bottom row is all mattes. Half of this row is mattes, half of this row are shimmers, and the whole top row are the shimmers. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. Gold Remastered palette. I think the shimmers are completely beautiful and they are different textures. There are some in here that are really smooth and buttery, but then there are other ones like Rose Gold, for example, which has texture to it. And these mattes are really nice and smooth. I have used the mattes before and they blend so beautifully and are really pigmented. I will be having a full makeup tutorial posted using this palette very soon, and I will also be sharing my thoughts on the palette. I just want to get to wear it a bit more because I believe you should never make your final decision on a palette based on using it once, because you don't get a chance to use all the shades. So I really want to play around with it with a bit more and use a bit more of the shades, and then I can give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. So yeah, stay tuned and thank you for coming to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this, comment down below if you managed to get your hands on the Rose Gold Remastered palette. Yeah, just kind of let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I think this packaging is absolutely stunning.